Let's start 3-3 and we will be solving multi-step equations. Yay! Yay! Multi-step means it's a little more complicated, but that makes it a little more fun. Example 1, 3x plus 5 plus 6x minus 7 equals 25. Okay, so now this would be the expression, okay, without the equal sign, but now it's a whole equation. I'm going to simplify my like terms before I worry about the equation part. So my like terms would be 3x, 6x, and then my constants, I have a 5 and I have a negative 7. So let's start with the constants. 3x plus 6x gives me 9x. This was a positive 5 and a negative 7. Positive 5 minus 7 is a negative 2. And then I'm going to copy this piece. Okay? I didn't worry about it initially, but now I'm ready for it. 9x minus 2 equals 25. Okay, now this is what we were doing in chapter 2. Should I start with the variable thing or the other thing? I always do the other thing first, so I see subtraction, I do the inverse. Let's add 2 to both sides. 9x, goodbye, equals 25 plus 2, 27. Now I see multiplication, so I'm doing the inverse, I'm dividing. 9 divided by 9 is 1, so I'm left with x equals, and 27 divided by 9 is 3. And that's the answer. I could also check it off to the side. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 5, plus 6 times 3 is an 18, minus 7. 9 plus 5 is a 14, plus 18, minus 7. 14 plus 18 gives me 32, minus 7, and there is my 25. Okay? Let's look at the second one. 8x plus 6 plus 3x minus 2 equals 37. Same process. Let's combine like terms. So here's an x, here's a constant, here's an x, here's a constant. 8x plus 3x is 11x. 6 minus 2 is 4 equals 37. I have a variable thing and I have the other thing. Let's do the other thing first. Inverse of addition, subtraction. Let's subtract 4 from both sides. 11x, 4 minus 4, goodbye, equals 37 minus 4 is 33. I see multiplication, so I'm going to divide by 11. 11 by 11, is 1, so I'm left with x equals 33 divided by 11, that's 3. So my answer is 3. And I could check it off to the side. You'll end up with 37 equals 37, which is exactly what we wanted. Here's example 2, 5n divided by 4 plus 7 fourths equals negative 3 fourths. Okay, I'll do this one with the fractions left in. I won't do that strategy we learned in chapter 2. So I have this variable thing and then I have this other thing. I'm going to do the other thing first. I see addition, inverse is subtraction, minus 7 fourths, minus 7 fourths. I'm left with 5n over 4 equals, who's this one? Goodbye. Negative 3 fourths minus 7 fourths is a negative 10 fourths. Now here I have n and it's being multiplied by a 5 fourths. So I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of 4 fifths. 4 fifths on both sides. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. I'm left with n equals. Now here's a 4 and a 4. That's a 1 and a 1. So I'm left with negative 10 fifths or negative 2. So it starts out really complicated and then we end up with one answer for n. It's kind of cool. Here's another one. 3y sevenths plus 5 sevenths equals negative 1 seventh. This time I'm going to try to use that strategy. 7 over 1 Oh my goodness. 7 over 1. Okay, how did I do that? I saw all my denominators were 7. So if I multiply it by 7, everything goes away. So 7 times 3y divided by 7 would be 21y over 7, which is just 3y, plus 7 times 5/7 gives me 35/7, or just 5, equals negative 1/7 times 7 is a negative 1. See what happened there? It was all the numerators. Now I have the variable thing, I have the other thing. Let's do the other thing first. 3y, goodbye, equals negative 1 minus 5, that's a negative 6. I see multiplication, so I do division. Y equals negative 6 divided by 3 is a negative 2. Okay, and you could have done this without using the strategy, with just keeping all the fractions in. You'll get the same answer. Okay, it's your turn. In 3-3, please do number 2, 3, 6, and 7. Put the answers in the Google form, but bring your work paper tomorrow. Okay, I want to see your process, and I want to see if you got it wrong, where you went wrong. Okay, so please answer 2, 3, 6, and 7 in the Google form, and everyone bring your work paper tomorrow. Awesome job. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.